So even before the booming
So I want to tell you how
you have been booming.
So because that was not my initial what I want to do. Because you don't have the money, you have to have a way through to get to where you are going. The dream is there, but how can I get to my dream? So I needed something to do to bring out what I want. So those crayfish, those onions were a way to my dream. Fashion has been my life. So I opened up a boutique in Alaba International.
I will come back to the time you opened the boutique, but there are some that I really need to understand.
All right.
When you left Jos during that Jos crisis, you found yourself in a situation of a refugee. You guys were sleeping in churches.
Yeah.
How was the experience? What did you see?
It was crazy because then I was pregnant.
What was going on through your mind?
I don't know if I survived it because my dear, that experience was not experience. Even to the last enemy, I don't think I even have an enemy, but it's not what we wish anyone to experience. You know, then I was 9 months pregnant. I was tying the baby with wrapper so that I will not be on labor. I will be running and be jumping a dead body. They will be shooting. When you are running, they will be shooting, you'll be jumping. So they said I would get to one place, I'm going to Doki, inside. You will not know those places. So they took us there. They put us in a hut, inside a hut, like something like a building where they used to store their food.
So it's not like a house, it's just a storage.
It's a storage, so that if you enter the house, they'll come and burn it. So that storage, you'll never expect people to be inside there.
Was it these guys?
Yes, so we'll be in the storage, and everywhere was dark. Like, I don't know, the first level I started was there. So
inside the hut?
Yes. So the women there have to tie me so that I will not put to bed. We are not even seeing ourselves. Everywhere was so dark. It's not a good experience. It was not a good experience, serious. It was not. So those women, they were so kind. Like, you know, like just yesterday, my son was asking me, Mommy, do you remember when we are leaving that place? Because that crisis started the first time. After 5 years again, the crisis come again. So we have been on that crisis till I left Jos.
Wow.
The crisis have to take up all what I have again till I left Jos. I have my first baby in Jos. Second, I have 3 kids, 2 girls and a boy. All my 3 kids were in Jos. And throughout those time, we are just crisis. So they said that my son grew up to even know the crisis.
Wow.
You get it? So he was telling me, those people, when we are leaving, we told them that we'll come again to see them. Do you have their number? I said, then, when I was running, how will I remember them? If I see them, I will not remember them again. But I know there's something like that happens.
Times have passed.
Yeah, so it was not a good experience because then those women in the bush will go to bring out their yam, the cassava, they will cook it in a big bath and bring and be giving us one. You know what the refugees?
It was a community living.
Yeah, I know what it was refugee mean. They will just cut up a yam, because if you eat one for the day, that's what you hold up. Imagine a pregnant woman, what I was passing through.
Living by ration.
So they just experience bold me, giving me the courage. I need to make it. I need to stand. I need to grow. So I don't think there's something that can break me down now. I've, over the year, bringing up my kids and the rest, the kind of life I've experienced, the good, the bad, the ugly, the hardship, the everything, I've passed through all those things. So coming to manage of money, that helped me to know how to manage money. You get it? Management of money, I am good in it. So I know how to manage. I know how to have. Then my kids don't like eating gari.
Okay.
Yeah, they eat semovita. Yeah, they eat semovita a lot. They don't eat gari. So gari was very cheap then. Semovita was so expensive. So how did I manage those things? So I do buy the white gari.
Okay.
I buy semovita. I will not shifter it. No, when you have a shifter, if you shifter gari, you notice that gari have the some particle like powder. Now pack the powder, mix with the semovita, and mix it up. So if they are eating it, they don't know it's gari and semovita.
Whoa, that was ingenious.
You get it? So I want to tell you how I managed to train those children, even in the hardship and the rest. So like now, that thank God, I know that I eat 3 meals with extra, and it's by the grace of God. So the hardship helped me to mold myself to get to where I am today.
You have seen the good, the bad, and the ugly.
Of course.
And nothing can break you anymore.
No, I don't think so.
Good. You have always had this dream and passion for fashion.
Yeah.
Have your parents always supported it?
Yeah, my parents, they know me very well. My mom, anything I told her I want to do, all she do is to bless me, because she was a go-getter like me then. She owned a restaurant called what social restaurant.
Social restaurant.
Yeah, and in that she started from restaurant. She started from mama put to restaurant, from restaurant to own a hotel.
Oh, she started from mama put.
Yes,
and
from mama put to restaurant. From restaurant, you now own the hotel. You get it? So the dream, I saw her growing. Everything was with me then. I was schooling. All my siblings went to boarding school. I was the only one with her there doing day school, helping her around. So if I tell her I want to do something, she know I will make it. She know I will make it, because even at that stage, I started building my own small business. Even at the age of 11, I started building my own business inside her own business.
At 11. Now, this was before you went to Jos.
Before I'm telling you, when I was still a kid then. So the business is even in the blood, you know.
What was that business you were building?
With her, she was selling food. So then I was selling my. After school, she would give us my to go and hawk.
Okay.
So I said, okay, I'll be hawking. But if I am able to finish it in so hour, the second one I will sell, it will be mine. She said, okay, if I will do it. I said, okay. So because I know I have a target, so I will move to the garage where now I will sell my finish. I'll finish her own in one particular place. I'll come back and say, okay, now this is your money. The next one I'm going to sell now is my own money. She said, good. So I will carry my own. Now my own is the one I will now go and hawk. So when I finish it, I join her contribution.
Wow.
So they were doing
all these
contribution.
Things happened around 11 years old.
11, that was when I was still in primary school. Entered secondary school. My secondary school, I was doing business. The business is inside her own business.
Wow.
So you get it. So she actually know that I'm like a support to her. So inside doing the my, I was doing contribution with her. So she was the mother of the contribution. She was the head of the contribution.
Okay.
So I now put a hand. I now put a one hand. That is like
one slot.
One slot, because of the business I'm doing. So she do save my money for me. So from that, I now told her, okay, I'll be doing chicken. So I got something like a glass. I will roast chicken. I'll put it in a show glass. So people coming to eat in her place will see my chicken and they will buy my chicken.
That was strategic.
They will see my chicken, they will buy my chicken. Would you believe it that when I want to enter marriage, I own a 3 Okada machine. When I
running
was
for you.
You're running for me. So even when I got married, I have my business that I moved with my business to my husband's house.
Wow.
So I have 3 machines that was running for me through that contribution. So when I collect contribution, she'll ask me what did I want. So I want to buy machine, because she's also doing the machine business. So and I say, buy one and add to what you are doing. That is for me. So she was actually guiding me, including me well. So kudos to my mommy. She just like a pillar. Wow. And everything to me. Yes, yes.
You know, this is a perfect example of what they say in Igbo language. Yeah. But when an elder is doing something, the younger one always tends to
learn from it. Yeah.
Yours has been a story of persistence. And from age 11, you had a target. The trajectory of your target has been blossoming.
I need to have something there. I don't like begging. That was my push. It was a win-win-win business, because I already have that foundation.
You had built the
foundation. So coming up, it was not that hard to me to put in on 1 or 2 things. I can actually come out with only 100 naira to cook a pot of soup. And that 100 naira, if it tastes the soup, you'll be worse. If I tell you it's 100 naira, I used to buy that pot of soup, you'll not accept it. Then I used to manage a lot. So coming now, I can still have 1 million, you not have 1 million, because I will be managing what I have, because those ones are for investment. So I can still manage 50,000 for 1 week, because that investment, I have not started it, so I must not touch that money. Wow. As far as I've called the money is for something, that money must be for that.
You don't touch it?
I don't touch it. I can sit down here and be looking for who will manage, who will help me with money, while the other money is still there. You get it? So that leads me to where I am today.